check out how it's storming. The storm was so crazy yesterday. I had to prop up my backpack against this side so the tent wouldn't flatten. I haven't gotten a lot of sleep. But I'm gonna pack down now. Let's pack down. Guys, the rain, it went fucking crazy. The moment I took my tent down, it just started pouring down, man. I'm all kinds of fucking soaked and drenched now. Oh my god, I can't believe my luck, guys. This is the story of my life. The moment I packed my tent down, oh, fuck my life. I'm just gonna wait in this observation deck. Fuck my life. I'm taking a bit of a break in here. Smoking. Yeah, I know. Normally I respect these things, but oh my god, man, I'm drenched. Well, not drenched. I'm drying out a little bit in here. There was some sun before. I put on my winter jacket. Yeah. It's a little better for this type of stuff. Oh yeah, I found a geocache in here the other day. Look at that. I'm not gonna mess with it though. I don't do the geocache stuff. I'll just put it back. Okay, I'm ready now. I can even zip it up a bit so I can pedal more effectively. Let's go. Did the dishes. Still a little bit left. And now I'm gonna eat some rolled oats with sugar and milk. Let's go. Breakfast for champions. And a little bit left for tea.
16:25 skal vi være gået herfra. Før 16:25 skal vi være gået herfra.
I keep forgetting to film.
Toget til Odense kl. 17:39. Kører fra spor 3 og gå videre.
And we're going to Slagelse. Let's see if you guys recognize this spot. Recognize that spot out there. Some nice train conductors, or whatever you call them, ticket checkers. They didn't give me a fine, not that it matters. But it's always nice when they don't. It's a waste of time, you know? No reason giving me a fine I'm never gonna pay. Alright? Well, I'm gonna go pick those packages up before it gets too late. Once again, I find myself on the Western Sea landish, what do you call it, like the lesser traveled roads. It's nice out here though. The air has a special smell and humidity. It's quite nostalgic. But I am a little damp though. But my clothes is drying as I'm paddling along. Look guys, I picked up the packages. Let's go. They don't weigh as much as I'd expected, and that's nice. Let's go. Check this out. I just saw a chance how to get under the road. I spotted this right here. You can't ever catch all the nostalgia. Ooh. I had to stabilize there. I wish I could have just shot it in one go, but I had to stabilize with my hand. Guys, I'm at Kiki's dad's place and I just finished putting on one of these screen protectors they ship in this thing so they don't bend. Ah, it's so nice. It's like having a brand new phone. I haven't changed it since I got this phone secondhand. I got some USB-C to C cables I'm gonna bring with me. The rest I'm just gonna leave behind. Alright, time to go I think. It's getting dark. Okay, I checked out all the packages, everything's there. I took the stuff I need and now I'm heading off back to the train station to go to Newport. Back and forth. But I got the important stuff taken care of. Let's go. I'm trying to see if I can get the guys to join me in voice chat. There was an LAV and a bunch of medical vehicles on there for the military. Wonder what that means. I'm technically an hour too late at uploading my video for today, but who cares, man? No one's watching either way. I'll get it done today. Just got my fine. I found a handful of bottles here and then it started raining like crazy. It's actually clearing up a little bit. I'm just gonna head off because it's gonna be raining 100% for the next 2 hours. So I'm just gonna leave right now when it's at least bearable. I got some dry pants on back in the apartment, making some tea. Made some leverpostej, heated up in the oven on rye bread. Delicious. Hello guys. I'm here delivering some bottles and cans. Started out the morning just hanging out in the apartment in the heat. It had been raining all night, so I'm pretty happy about that. Yeah, I'm gonna buy some milk, get some Waldo's milk, some breakfast. I'm gonna ask the others if I should buy some bread so we can have some eggs as well. That'd be delicious. Yeah, just hanging out in voice chat in the morning, all morning while I'm doing this. Some bottles I got yesterday. Let's get some milk. Here we go. let's get home, get some breakfast. Either rolled oats with milk or maybe eggs on toast. Hanging out in voice channel with Rice. He only gets on in the mornings, and he's only started to recently. We missed him. And Stony as well, of course. Making some breakfast here. Already got it over here. Let's eat. And just cleaned up so I could eat at a clean table. Breakfast is served. Yeah, and these are just like grilled chicken sausages cut up in the middle. Some bell peppers, ketchup, egg. Guys, I'm just chilling out in the apartment, just fixing stuff online, like fixing my online banks and PayPal and stuff, setting up a donation link. I'm not really trying to eBay, but I mean, I guess I'm uploading daily videos and I'm not gonna be making any money anytime soon, so if anybody wants to, go ahead, in the description. I kept saying this is something that I wanted to fix and I've been postponing it, and now, having been in the apartment for this long, I slept here. I woke up here. I just feel like now that I did something that I really shouldn't be doing, like staying in an apartment, it's not really the nomadic way in my opinion. Gotta sleep outdoors every day. But yeah, now that I did something to make life a little easier, I gotta do something that's a little I'm done setting up the donation link and fixing some online banking stuff. No, I'm just rewarding myself eating some spiders. Made some of this pork. I heated it up. Made some rice. Mike made some eggs with some cheese on there. Some different things. Yeah, I'm gonna chop this up to bits, put it in the rice, and maybe add some kind of sauce or dressing. I'm not sure. Check out the final result. I decided no dressing. I'm just gonna eat it like that. It's the best flavor that way. I wish I had some soy sauce. Check it out, guys. I'm in the shelter right now. Yeah, I went over here. Didn't get any bottles. I'm making some oatmeal. I'm hungry right now. So yeah, I'm gonna make some oatmeal. I got water here. Got rolled oats over here. Sugar as well. Now we add sugar and cinnamon. Plenty of sugar and then cinnamon. A liberal amount of cinnamon as well. I think is good. And then just mix it up. Eat.